Bitcoin is pumping, guys. I got a video for you. What a day. What a day. We've seen Bitcoin over $100,000. Over the past couple days, we've made a meteoric rise. Really, for the past couple weeks, we've been slowly grinding up. And then today and last night, we saw a move from $97,000 all the way to $103,000. Pretty incredible. And I will base this off of one thing. Can you guess what has done this? We're going to talk about that. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and stopping by. And wow, we're seeing some big moves. Are we back? Doesn't feel like we're back. Everyone's so quiet. There's no real action happening in the crypto space right now. While Bitcoin's over 103,000, we're like $4,000 from all-time highs. Absolutely insane what a little drawdown over the past couple months will do to the overall market sentiment. It will wipe a lot of people out. And I will say, granted, altcoin season was non-existent really, and I think that really beat up a lot of people, if you will, and a lot of people just kind of got fleeced. But guys, are we back? Are we so back? I think we're getting pretty close here. I think this is a signal that this is not just a lower high. Guys, if we see these closures over 100,000, in my opinion, I do think we're going to come and test 110K. And if we flip 110,000 as from resistance into support, it's not a double top. 120,000, 150,000, in my opinion, is the target by the end of 2025. What a crazy correction. This is it's very similar to the 2021 bull market. And the only thing that's different about this time is that the entire market's pumping right now because of one thing. There's one man right now that is pumping and dumping the markets, that has the power with his words alone to send Bitcoin to new all-time highs and to send Bitcoin down a brutal correction, making everyone think that it's all over. The President of the United States. And just yesterday, the President said, I believe it was actually today, the President came out and said, now is a good time to buy stocks. This is the second time he's done something like this because there's big trade deals that are happening. They're coming to a conclusion. The uncertainty is floating away. We had the FOMC meeting yesterday. Jerome Powell comes out and basically doesn't say a single bullish thing, really. The only thing that was like semi-bullish that he was saying is that the market is only getting beaten up right now by tariffs. And you can view that as a positive or negative thing. But basically what he's saying is that when the tariffs are gone, the market is going to show strength. And I think that we are coming to that time right now. It's just an incredible time, though, because all this price action is in the hands of one man. It is extremely difficult to predict. And that's why, personally, what I do is I buy Bitcoin every single day, guys. I'm going to be buying Bitcoin every single day, probably for the rest of my life, until it reaches $1 million, which could be in the next year, 5 years, 10 years, 30 years. I think it happens a lot sooner than 30 years, but we're going to have to see how this plays out. This is a first time in the financial world. This is the first. Cryptocurrency is a disruptive. It's history being made, guys. It's absolutely incredible. But I do want to say that the market is so quiet. It's so quiet right now. And when you're all-time highs, this looks like opportunity. This does look like opportunity. And I think that we will see some altcoins perform very, very well. I think some alts that were performing well before we saw this run up, like before the big drawdown, rewind back to like January and December, November of 2024. I don't think all of them are going to perform as well. Like, I don't think they're all going to go to new all-time highs, but some of the strong ones definitely will. I think SWI looks really good. I think Pepe looks really good. I like Solana. Solana's always showing strength. We'll see if Ethereum gets over $3,000, if Bitcoin goes to 150K. I'm joking, but I'm not at the same time, because Ethereum has been it's an absolute blunder of a coin right now. And it was like the mid-curve. Like, everyone thought, like all the smart people thought we should buy Ethereum. And granted, I was buying Ethereum too, but I've sold the majority of it. I do not like where the foundation of Ethereum is headed, and I do not like how they're treating their price action and their investors. They're just dumping. The foundation is just dumping on the investors. But I digress, guys. The overall market right now, I think we should be optimistic. I'm cautiously optimistic. I think there's a good chance of new all-time highs playing out here in maybe the next month or so. You know, I was saying that I expect continued relief into May. We got that. But I did also say that June and July usually are not that favorable of months for crypto. Usually it's pretty sluggish. So maybe we see a bigger move to 110,000. We flirt around that level for a month or two. We range bound between 110, 100,000, 105,000. We bounce, ping pong a little bit before inevitably into Q4. I say inevitably, but if we were to be lining up with the 4-year cycle on Bitcoin, September, October, November, we should be seeing basically, I don't want to say the blow off top, but the last move of this parabolic run up if we are still in a 4-year cycle, if this is not a super cycle, guys. Now, what am I doing right now? I've been longing crypto, guys. I am long in my 6-figure XRP trade. It is performing very, very well right now. Obviously, significantly in the green. I'm going to be making an XRP video later to show you guys it. And really, I'm just looking for positions. I'm looking for long positions. I'm long SWE. SWE's been performing well. If you guys do want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to blow, and all you can do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit, you get a bunch of your money, and there's also some awesome promotions going on right now. The more trading volume you do, the more rewards you get. You can get a Tesla Model 3, $33,000 worth if you trade. I think it's like 100 million trading volume, which sounds crazy, but it's really not when you're using leverage and you're going in and out in trades. I don't know. Will I get that? I don't know. We'll have to see. I definitely am going to try to take advantage of some promotions on Blowfin. But guys, that's all I got, really. I just want to give you my opinions. Awesome to see Bitcoin pumping. Smash that like button if you're hyped about Bitcoin pumping and Jerome Powell getting ready to pivot. The president of the United States saying we should buy stocks, risk on assets like that, guys. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.